Lights, camera, band baja bride. Today is special. आज हमारी in-house fashionista Ambika is getting ready to meet another very stylish girl in Malabar Hill, Mumbai. Our bride today is the epitome of a modern, independent, fashionable woman. One who is confident of dressing iconic celebrities, but worried about her own look for the biggest day of her life.
Hi, Priyanka.
Hi, Ambika. So happy to see you.
Ladies and gentlemen, meet the lovely Priyanka Parkash.
Hi, I'm Priyanka Parkash. I have always been interested in fashion. I started out pretty young. I used to intern at Fashion Week. I used to be an usher just so that I could have access to the fashion shows. That was really my first exposure to the industry. Right after that, I did my internship with Vogue, and then I've been there ever since. So for me, the transition from working in the fashion team to voluntarily do the jewelry pages at Vogue, it's just such a perfect fit because it's something I just love to do.
How are you doing?
I'm excited, a little nervous, but I'm more nervous as an event planner for this wedding than I am as a bride, I think.
Don't worry, we are here to hold your hand. Everything will be perfect.
It's a huge relief, honestly. Like just one thing just ticked off is the look, and that's, for me, is the biggest thing. So super relieved.
So you've been working in the world of fashion for so many years. How has your personal fashion vocabulary developed? Are you somebody who's into modern or vintage fashion?
I love vintage as a person. I mean, personally, especially with accessories and jewelry. I just love a vintage vibe, I think.
No wonder you are a Sabyasachi bride.
For sure. I knew from very early on I wanted to be completely traditional during my feiras. I have always pictured being very traditional, really quintessentially Indian bride. And I think I need someone to literally tell me, wear this with that, with that. And who better than Sabyasachi? I don't even have to think. I mean, I literally don't have to bother or worry or even blink an eye. I know it's gonna look beautiful. I need him, honestly, to do this for me.
प्रियंका प्रकाश ने अपने दूल्हे से पहले अपना डिजाइनर चूज किया था। वह हमेशा से जानती थी कि बनेगी तो वो सब्यसाची ब्राइड ही। अपनी मॉडर्न अपब्रिंगिंग और कंटेम्पररी लाइफस्टाइल के बावजूद शी इज एन एडमायरर ऑफ ट्रेडिशन। अपने करियर की शुरुआत में ये फैशन वीक्स में इंटर्न करती थी और सब्या की कलेक्शंस को रैंप पर साइलेंटली एडमायर करती थी। और आज शी विल बी एक्सपीरियंसिंग फर्स्ट हैंड द सब्यसाची ब्लेंड ऑफ ट्रेडिशन, vintage and modernity all in one.
The funny thing is that, we've been in the industry for about 8 years working together.
Yes.
And when I saw that form on Band Baja Bride and I saw your name, I'm like, really? She's getting married in my show? But thank you for choosing Sabyasachi.
I mean, for me, from day one, I think the second I got proposed to, I started Insta stalking. What Sabya outfit am I going to wear on my wedding?
Really?
For real, of course.
You see her Instagram?
What? It's like I follow Sabyasachi, brides of Sabyasachi, grooms of Sabyasachi, Sabyasachi jewelry, all of it. I'm a stalker.
Okay.
I am your stalker. But
Thank you.
For real, just the idea of you putting my jewelry and my look together, I'm genuinely so excited. And I think being in the industry, I understand more what styling means.
That's not going to happen because I'll do your clothes, you choose the jewelry. You're the jewelry editor for Vogue. Why should I do your jewelry for you? You should be choosing
I just want to close my eyes and not think about one more thing for this wedding. So I think it's a big trust factor, and I want to literally give 100% of it away. I don't want to have any involvement, honestly, in what that look looks like. Zero. If he wants to put a donkey on my head, I'm fine with it. I trust him.
You know, the trick about bridal dressing, which I tell people, is the fact that only on that day, let fashion fly out of the window.
Absolutely.
Because you want your clothes to be classic. A lot of magazines keep asking me about
Trends.
trends.
Yes.
What is going to be? I get this question every year, and I say, "What is the
Yes.
new bridal color?" I say, "The new color is red." But they say, "Listen, you have to say that in 2016."
Yep.
I say, "I'll say that in 2022."
Yep.
And I say that when you think of the color red, you think of India.
I was saying, should we do ivory or should we do red? But maybe red is the color of confidence.
Red. You will look like a goddess in red.
I'm so excited. Stop getting me excited. Let's do it. Let's get this
I'm
done.
very excited too. I'm thinking about it. I want to ask you a question,
Okay.
but you have to say yes.
Okay.
You cannot say no to me.
Okay, I'm nervous, but okay.
I want you to model for my bridal campaign.
I mean, of course, there's no yes there. 100%. 100%.
No, because I just love your energy, and I think we all need to show beautiful, confident women.
Absolutely.
Who can
Oh my
inspire
God,
a
it would be
whole
an honor.
generation of
It would be
women.
an honor, genuinely.
Done?
Done.
Okay, now that it's all done, and I'm going to see you for something very exciting. My new jewelry store.
I can't wait.
The jewelry editor of Vogue coming to
Candy
do her
store.
jewelry.
From a Sabya bride to a Sabya model, never before has any bride expected this makeover. Yes, you heard it right. Priyanka will soon be modeling for ace designer Sabyasachi's Summer 2020 campaign. This is the big moment, the transformation of a Sabyasachi bride to a Sabyasachi model. We are at the famous Mehboob Studios in Mumbai, जहां हमारी bride Priyanka will be shooting for the Sabyasachi Summer 2020 campaign.
I'm really nervous about posing in front of the camera as opposed to not being in front of it and being behind the scenes. The knowing of how big a campaign gets,
Right.
that's intimidating.
That's all right. You're doing well. That's a new portfolio. So there you go. Ready? All the best. Priyanka, double up and laugh like you should be having the ride of your life. It's just that you hold the bag and just bend and laugh. Yes, come on, beautiful. We got the shots up.
You know, I am not a nervous person by nature, but I have to say that was quite intimidating. But I'm getting warmer, so hopefully by the end of it, I would have got my groove. But the first few shots were quite overwhelming, I have to say.
Okay, Priyanka, shoot is done. Pack up.
I think when Sabya started showing me the jewelry, one after the other, it all just marries so well. I have to admit, I was a little overwhelmed because I wanted to wear all of it. I wanted to do the vintage vibe. But then he showed me these layered, stunning necklaces. The concept of layering is something I was thinking of doing right from the get-go. The higher up necklace, right to that beautiful longer necklace with the Lakshmis and beautiful Punjabi jhumkas that he showed me, that stunning matha patti. the cherry on top was the nathni. I didn't ever think I would look good in a nathni, but I'm so excited about the nathni.
That's how the final look will come across.
Oh my God,
Okay?
it's stunning.
After months of planning each and every element of her wedding down to the details, आज फाइनली प्रियंका की शादी है। पहले कमरा सजेगा और फिर बारी आएगी हमारी ब्राइड की।
Dear Priyanka, you're getting married today. You represent young, confident urban India. An India where tradition is dynamic and contemporary thinking coexists harmoniously with traditional values.
God.
You have weathered a long-distance relationship and family tragedies with confidence and positivity. To celebrate your wedding and the person that you are, I have a special gift. A Sabyasachi Mangalsutra.
Oh God, it's so beautiful.
I feel honored to give it to someone who has been a very prolific jewelry editor in the country. I hope it can stand for everything that you love and value. Yours, Sabyasachi.
It's so sweet.